Hi guys, it's Saturday and back to work na naman tayo. So kahit may hangover is pumasok tayo, charot. So anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales. And aside from that guys, continuation about our reports kasi nga today is the last day of submission. So kailangan ko siyang tapusin today. So obviously, medyo busy tayo today. So anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang din muna ako.
Baala. Dito ko sa sudlon. Baala. Damugod mo.
So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today. So, after work, diretso lang din tayo sa bahay. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!